Many of us today are fond of putting password or patterns on our phone, which makes it difficult for someone to access it in the case of unfortunate situations like phone loss, sickness, accident, or even death. But in this video, I'm going to share a little knowledge on how we can save ourselves, or you can save yourself and the life of others. Please watch and pay attention closely. Thank you. While your phone is locked, click on emergency. A new page opens up. Click on emergency information. Click it twice. Double click. You have a new page. Click on the pencil icon to edit your information. So we edit information now by supplying your names and other data. After done with that, go back to add contacts to fill in the contacts that can be used for emergency calls and